YouTube, I'm back. Yeah, to my 95 subscribers, I am so sorry, but I'm back. You guys had faith in me and I let you down, and for that I sincerely apologize to you. Sincerely. So it's 2024 and things have changed. I've changed. I'm fatter. Jeez. I have 2 kids now and I am in a transitioning phase into marriage. I don't know what that phase is called traditionally, but I'm there. So yeah, a lot of things are happening, and as I look back on my life, I don't have a lot of memories of the things that have happened in the past. I think 3 years now. It's 3 or 2 years now that I've stopped vlogging. So which kind of broke my heart because there's a lot of things that happened in between those years. I got a baby, got married traditionally, and I only have maybe 1 or 2 pictures of those memories. Oh, and I graduated. I didn't vlog that. I graduated as well, so I barely have memories and I do have pictures, but not a lot of videos of those moments in my life. So I thought maybe I should just come back on YouTube and just document my life, just to create memories, not only for myself but for the people around me. Because with the last videos I did, I had my friends in there and I was on a health journey, of which I need to go back on. So annoyed. So yeah, that's my life. That's a quick update. So yeah, I decided to come back on YouTube for those reasons, just to create memories for myself. I'm one person who loses phone, doesn't care for iCloud storage, doesn't care for Google Photos thingies, and now I am a regretter. So yeah, and I also feel like I downplayed myself when it comes to YouTube, because for someone who has 95 subscribers, the video that got the most views was around 3,000, and people found me funny. So I really downplayed myself by being lazy. Bottom line, I just downplayed myself, and now I'm back. And okay, I don't want to say much because I don't want any expectations from me, but I'm gonna try to stay consistent in terms of the things that happened in my life, documenting those things, just to have some sort of just for me to reflect back in the years to come, when I watch my YouTube. So I'm opening myself to you. I can just basically make this channel private, but I'm choosing not to, because I also include my friends in my videos, and it's really nice for them and other people just to look back on the years that we spent together, the trips that we spent together, and for me also just to remind myself of the goals that I had, and just to check in on whether or not I've achieved those goals. So yeah, I'm back.